you doing? It's so nice to see you. I'm so glad you could join me today on YouTube. My name is Deshawn and you're watching Distinctively Deshawn. Today I finished my me room and I invite you to come along. So welcome to my home. Hey you sitting over there. Welcome to today's video. I hope you are doing well. Let's hang for about 17 minutes or so. I am super excited today because it is the conclusion of my me room / war room / prayer room / watch TV room, do whatever I want room, and occasionally have someone sleep in room when needed. I am first starting off with this poster frame that I purchased from Michaels. In addition to these wooden letters that were also purchased from Michaels, I am going to spray paint them silver in order to hang on my walls. I purchased these digital prints from Etsy and had them downloaded and printed out at my local Staples. They are 16 by 20s. I did print out some 8 by 10s as well, and I also ordered some 11 by 14s that I had mailed to me. I am using the tape method to put my nails in the wall just because it's so much easier. It makes everything even. You know, I measured the walls, measured my picture, figured out where I want the pictures to hang, put my tape on the wall so I can easily hammer my nails in, which you see me doing now. I do normally use a leveler. However, I could not find it, so I had to use my tape measure just to make sure everything was lined up evenly the way that I wanted. So when I go to remove my tape, I don't have any worries or concerns about one of my pictures being higher than the other one. I purchased these gold picture frames from my fave, the Dollar Tree, to hold my ask and ye shall receive, seek and ye shall find, knock and the door will be open unto you. Digital word art. Whoever said signage, home decor was a thing of the past must not have a good understanding of the significance of words. Words are powerful and they will never go out of style for me, okay? I have such a love and appreciation for words because I know that they can manifest things as I speak them over my life. So this right here is everything. Like, of all the projects and stuff that I do, I am truly enjoying this one above a lot of them. I purchased these 2 small area rugs to go inside the space. I wanted 2 different textures in the space depending on how I'm feeling that day. I know that's weird, but listen, that's what I did. Also, I got this comfy pillow from a local store, DD's Discount to be exact, as well as this little side table that I will be setting up as an altar. If you don't already have one and you're interested in setting up a space like this in your home where you can spend time with God, I do not mind mentioning some of the things I have in my space, and you can tweak it, to your liking or as God leads you. I purchased this small little basket to go underneath the table to add some of my items. On the table, I am adding my anointed oil that has been prayed over, my incense holder with some rosemary incense. I am also adding my Bible to the space, my prayer cloth, my journal in case God speaks to me. I want to write stuff down. I have a vanilla candle. Now you can, pick whatever you want for your choice. I prayed about mine, so this is what I have in mine, as well as some tissues. Because listen, as children of God, we cry out to Him, okay? I ordered some 22 by 22 as well as 12 by 20 pillow inserts from Amazon, as well as some pillow covers from Amazon, and one from Etsy, I believe. I don't remember the name of the company on there though. For my day bed, I told y'all in the last video, those that watched, that I was not finished decorating the space. So this is what I'm doing. I also got the throw that I'm gonna put on this bed from Amazon as well. It was actually a set that came with the two pillow covers. The two 18 by 18 pillows in the center are smaller than the other ones, but I loved the design and I had to have them, and they did not come in another size. This letter is a part of a birthday basket that was gifted to me last year from a friend, and I am changing the color to put in this space. Guys, this is some of the canvas art that I showed a few videos back in a haul that I purchased from Family Dollar and could not believe it. Like, I just love, love, love these pieces in this space. I decided I wanted some additional pillows on the side, so I ended up purchasing these 2 taupe fur pillows for the ends of the bed from Amazon, and I absolutely love them. Well guys, we've come to the conclusion of this video. I hope you all have enjoyed hanging out with me. I have thoroughly enjoyed hanging out with you. This was by far one of my favorite projects to do. If you haven't already, please be sure to check out part 1 and part 2 of this 3-part video series. Be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you have not already done so. Until next time, ciao.